Hi, welcome to this introduction to our Caring in Conflict workshop. In this workshop, we're going to review how to face challenging conflicts in our lives. Some of the reasons that these conflicts can become more difficult, we're going to review the different styles of communication people use and why they're problematic. And we're also going to review strategies to handle them in a different way. So the first thing we're going to do is learn about communication styles. Everyone has their own methods they've learned throughout their life of how they communicate with others, and specifically how they deal with a challenging conflict with another person or people. Usually these are learned through watching our parents or our role models in our lives, not necessarily from any kind of strategic, tactical, or any sort of planned out approach. We usually learn them when we're young. And we all have some kind of alarming bad habits which make conflict harder to deal with rather than having a strategy to make it easier to deal with and resolve. So understanding these different styles is where we're going to start our presentation. Just a quick overview. We're going to review 4 types of communication styles. 3 that kind of have alarming, it's kind of like looking in the mirror here. We're all going to see a little bit of ourselves in each of these things or in others, and then a new way to do it. Passive communication, aggressive communication, passive-aggressive communication, and assertive communication. We're going to review all those different communication styles. And then we're going to talk about nonviolent communication, i.e. resolving conflicts in a way that's empathic and respects everyone's feelings as you do it and leaves everyone whole at the end of the conflict. This is really based around the assertive communication we'll bring in at the end of the communication styles section. So there's 2 pieces to this, and we're going to go through all of this as we move through. Let's get started.